This is John again from Toyline Collection PH. And for this particular vlog, ipapakita ko yung difference between nung Super 7. So this is the Super 7 He-Man from yung in-unbox ko kahapon na Retroplay. No? This is the Retroplay version. If you remember dun sa isa kong vlog, makikita natin no, na yung Retroplay niya, yung package, no, talagang napunit yung loob kasi yung adhesive niya mas madikit, no. But still, na-retain rin naman to para kung isa-safe keep, matatabi pa rin natin tong He-Man ng Retroplay. But more than that, no, that you've seen the package nung Retroplay. Ito naman yung package ng Super 7. At kung mapapansin nyo, may nakasulat dito na as seen on TV. So, this is Super 7 and not Mattel. So, makikita natin no, na sinunod pa rin niya yung parang Mattel version. No? Ito yung Mattel version, no? Which is, of course, near dun sa original na in-issue nila dati, no, noong 80s, na may artwork, ayan, no, may comic artwork, right? And then at the same time, makikita niyo yung mga iba pang toys, no, dun sa toy line. So ito, 23.99, nabili ko ito sa US noong 2019. Now, yung maganda dito, based dun sa aking experience, I was able to remove the box, no, or open the box na hindi nasira yung covering sa likod. No? So, makikita nyo na okay siya para pag ibalik, ididikit ko lang yan with the glue and then good as new itong He-Man na ito. Kaya lang, because ginagawa ko tong comparison video, kailangan lang ipakita sa inyo ano ba yung meron dito sa other na itong Super 7 version, no? So, for the Super 7 version, if you note, no? Ayan. So, you have the He-Man, no? Namastan. Kung i-compare natin dito sa Mattel na Retroplay, mas accurate itong He-Man dito sa Super 7 na mas, anong tawag doon? Mukhang katulad siya nung original. Kasi sabi sa akin ng friend ko, kaya daw magkaiba yan kasi itong isang He-Man na ito from Retroplay is more of the comics version. While this He-Man naman is more of the TV version. No? Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, mas tan itong He-Man na ito. And then if ikukumpara natin yung strip na nasa loob, itong sa Retroplay talagang may comic strip siya. Samantalang dito sa Super 7, kung mapapansin nyo, parang postcard lang, no? Postcard lang yung meron. At walang kasamang axe yung Retroplay. Yung Super 7, I mean. Wala siyang kasamang axe. Ang kasama lang ay sword. Actually, dalawa yung sword nito eh. Yung isang sword ay yung nakocombine sa sword ni Skeletor. Pero meron siyang espada na nabuo. Then of course, the shield. No? Kung mapapansin nyo, ang likod nitong He-Man ng Super 7, wala siyang parang strap, no? Kung saan makakabit yung axe. Magkaiba po yung likod nila. No? Ayan. And then of course, as mentioned, kakabit ang shield. At ito yung talagang, when, yung sabi ko nga na naregaluhan ako ng lola ko noon, na Battle Armored He-Man, almost ganito yun, no? Nag-twist pala ito, no? And para may action, no? Ayan, may punch action siya. If you twist it, no? And release. Pero ang masasabi natin, hindi siya katulad nung Retroplay na madaming pose na pwedeng gawin. Kasi ito, fix yung elbow, no? At pati yung hands. I like itong Retroplay ngayon. Pwede kang gumawa ng mga iba't ibang pose kasi maski yung kamay na nagagalaw, no? na naa-adjust pati itong paa. Right? So you can do plenty of poses here. So kaya ko lang pinakita sa inyo ang differences na itong He-Man na Super 7 and itong He-Man na Retroplay para if ever yung budget nyo ay tight and you only need to buy one of this, no, to display kahit hindi nyo nabuksan yung package, at least you know the difference between the two. So I hope this vlog helps you to see the difference between the two. And of course, depending on your budget, no, ayan yung sword nila, medyo magkaiba rin ng hugis, no. Mas modern talaga tong Retroplay than this one which is classic, no, itong Super 7. Ganito yung sword ng luma, no. So hopefully you can make a good decision and of course i-enjoy nyo yung inyong Masters of the Universe collection. So thank you very much and see you again in my next vlog.